Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix PCI Device Driver Missing Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix PCI Device Driver Missing Windows 11 Updating Driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Here, Deploy System Devices. You're going to right-click on the PCI driver and click on Update Driver. After that, click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait for this process to come to an end. Chapter 2. How to fix PCI Device Driver Missing Windows 11 Downloading Driver Manually. To start, right-click on Start and choose Device Manager. After this, display System Devices and you must double right-click on the failed PCI driver. Then go to the Details tab. In Property Sets Hardware IDS, copy the associated value. After this, in some browser, look for that value so that you can download the respective driver. Chapter 3. How to fix PCI Device Driver Missing Windows 11 Updating Windows. To start, open the Start menu and select Settings. Here you are going to go to Windows Update. You can click on Check for Updates and check if there are any available to install. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. How to fix PCI Device Driver Missing Windows 11 Reinstalling Driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu and choose Device Manager. After that, in System Devices, right-click on the PCI driver and select Uninstall Device. Confirm this by clicking on Uninstall. When it is completed, you will go to the Action menu. Here, click on Scan for hardware changes and wait for this operation to complete. Chapter 5. How to fix PCI Device Driver Missing Windows 11 Restoring System. To start, enter Restore in the search box. Click Create a Restore Point. After that, click on System Restore. You are going to select the desired restore point and complete the process. Upon completion, you must confirm this and wait for the entire restoration to be carried out. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.